In this video, I'll show you how to make a user an admin on a Discord server. Open the Discord application and go to the Discord web app. Navigate to your server from the left sidebar and click on the server name at the top of the channel list to open a drop-down menu. Select Server Settings from the drop-down menu. In the Server Settings, select on Roles in the left sidebar and click on the Create Role button to add a new role. Name it as admin or any name you prefer. You can customize the role color and other settings if desired. Click on the Permissions tab on this role and scroll down to Advanced Permissions and enable the Administrator permissions. This grants full access to server management. After setting up the permissions, click Save Changes to apply the new role settings. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.